Hi guys, it's Christopher with Funtown RV. Right now we are in our indoor showroom here in Corsicana, Texas. We're going to be doing a walkthrough on the Sundance 265BH. Let's take a look. So as soon as we get up front, right here, you're going to see this humongous pass-through storage here. Right here, we're actually going to have our front control. This is going to control our front two stabilizers. And then we have another control in the rear for the rear two stabilizing jacks. Of course, we're going to have our Solaire 12-volt awning with our lights right across. And then, of course, we're going to have our speakers right there. As we continue on, you're going to have your plugs and cable hookup for an outside TV. And then, of course, we're going to have our outside kitchen right here. So plenty of storage room. We're going to have the fridge. But right here, one thing I want to show you is if you flip this bad boy over from the griddle, you actually have a spot to cook with a pan. All right, guys, and just as easy, it's going to flip right back over. We're right back in place and ready to go. But then, of course, right here, that outside fridge, keep all those drinks nice and cold. And then, just like I was telling you earlier, this is that rear control for your stabilizers. All right, so right here, guys, we're going to have our rear bumper. Those caps just pop right off. That's going to be the spot to store your sewer hose. And then we're going to have our water heater here. And then our Lippert quick connect for a rear ladder. And then, of course, our Furrion rear camera is pre-wired. So you can check out our Furrion cameras inside our camp town. Those are going to be fantastic, whether it's your first time camping or you've been doing it since the dawn of time. It helps eliminate those blind spots and also helps back up that camper. All right, guys, that was the outside of the 265BH. Make sure to like, follow, and share. Let's go check out that inside. All right, guys, now that we are inside the 265BH, guys, they didn't leave any feature untouched. Of course, we're gonna have our control panel right here. We're able to read all our tank levels, control our awning, slides, and all those other goodies right here. And then, guys, right next to that, we are actually gonna have our Furrion stereo system. So whether we're having the party inside or outside, just pick a different zone, or if the party's inside and outside, we can play both zones and have some fun. Of course, above that, we're gonna have this great TV. And then above, we're gonna have plenty of storage. And then below, we have more storage here. But one thing I wanna be able to point out for you guys, this is gonna be your fuse and breaker panel. So it's great, it'll light up when one of our fuses goes out, but just as simple, hidden away and ready to have some fun. All right, guys, right behind me, we're actually gonna have a tri-fold sofa. So whether we're sitting here, we're enjoying the game, able to enjoy company. Well, guys, whenever it's nighttime, this does fold out and makes a bed. That's right, so we can sleep two here, two on our dinette, and we have the double bunks, and don't forget the bedroom we're about to take a look at. Of course, right here, we're gonna have this dinette. We have the great spacious windows, and right next to our booth dinette, guys, fridge and freezer, plenty of room in there, and that's gonna be right across from our kitchen. So, of course, we're gonna have our 3-burner cooktop, Furrion, our oven, and then, of course, plenty of storage room, plenty of space for all those goodies. And then, of course, our sink, microwave up top, and plenty of storage room. All right, guys, right next to the kitchen, we're gonna have our double bunks with a weight capacity of 275 on these bad boys, but then also we have that extra storage underneath. All right, guys, right next to the bunks, of course, we're gonna have the spacious bathroom. Storage above and below the sink, the Domatic toilet, and then right here, spacious bathroom, plenty of room in here. Lights on and off, but then also we have our window, plenty of room. Let's go check out that bedroom. All right, guys, now that we're in the bedroom, look at this spacious room. We have that second AC in here. Also, we have the spot for a TV mount. But guys, they did not skimp on any storage. We have the storage above. Then on the side, plenty of hanging room on both sides. And then right underneath, we actually have a pass-through storage under the bed. All right, guys, that was the Sundance Ultralight by Heartland 265BH. Make sure to like, follow, and share. Comment with any questions or any other RVs you would love to see us do a walkthrough on. And remember, the fun starts here.
Guys, make sure to like, follow, and share. And remember, the fun starts here.